Hello friends, welcome back. Mawa, Khoya or Khoa forms the base to many Indian sweets. So let's see how to make Khoya at home. This is very simple to prepare, but patience is the key to perfect Khoya. So let's get started. Heat milk in a heavy bottomed pan over medium heat. Heavy bottom vessel is important as thin vessels will burn the milk solids quickly. There are different kinds of Khoya. The ingredients used and the moisture content plays a primary role in the type of Khoya that is formed. So today we are going to see how to prepare hard Khoya, which is used to prepare sweets like barfi, peda and many more. I am using 2 liters of milk, but you can also use 1 liter of milk. And please use full fat milk for best results. Once milk starts boiling, simmer to medium low and keep stirring in between with a spatula every 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring and scraping the bottom and sides of the pan. Don't leave it unattended. As you cook, milk reduces and becomes grainy. After about 40 minutes, it will become slightly thick and more grainy. At this stage, you have to stir and scrape continuously. The time may vary depending on the vessel you're using and the heat. Finally, it becomes dense like halwa. You will definitely need a little effort in stirring. Now you can turn off the heat. 1 liter of milk will yield around 225 grams of Khoya. Transfer to a bowl and let it cool completely. As it cools down, Khoya will thicken and harden. You can prepare this Khoya and refrigerate and use it for about a week, or you can freeze it for about a month. So make this ahead of time and use it to prepare your favorite sweets for this Diwali. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me, Padma, signing off.